leader, he can rise above the narrow confines of his individualistic concerns to the broader concerns of all humanity. This profound quote by the American political philosopher Martin Luther King Jr., respected jury, loving teachers, and all my dear friends, a warm good morning to all of you present here. I'm deeply honored to have an opportunity to speak on such a contemporary and relevant topic. Celebrate diversity and embrace change. Diversity is not just a word, it's a vibrant tapestry of different cultures, religions, languages, and socio-economic backgrounds that makes up our world. In India, diversity is woven into the very fabric of our society, and our democracy plays a crucial role in bringing together people from all walks of life. Let's delve into the varieties that exist in India and how people enjoy and celebrate the differences. India is a country of great cultural diversity with wide variety of different racial and linguistic groups. The Indian population is primarily a mix of Indo-Aryans, Dravidians, and Mongolites. The most notable attraction is faith and spiritual practices, including caste and religious diversity. The nation also has remarkable varieties such as geographical features, social ceremonies, customs, climate, etc. Despite all the diversities, India remains united with a spirit of tolerance. The thread that binds all the Indians together is known as unity in diversity. The famous phrase coined by our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Unity in diversity is the essence of harmonious world. The United Nations has also launched initiatives to promote diversity and inclusion. Let us examine the factors that foster diversity. It includes constitutional identity, religious tolerance, economic integration, promoting pilgrimage, fairs and festivals, agricultural activities, sports and cinema. Then, we can move to the remarkable points of this topic, embracing changes. We must be able to accommodate scientific, technological, and socio-economic changes without disrupting the great heritage and diversity of our nation. As advanced technologies like artificial intelligence can incorporate its positive aspects and integrate them with the diversity of our nation. I would like to share some of the challenges facing diversity, like regionalism, communalism, ethnic conflicts, and problems from bordering countries. Therefore, the government must share the ideals of the Indian Constitution and Gandhian values with society. One honorable initiative of the Indian government was the G20 Earth Summit held at New Delhi in 2022. It was the best platform that successfully propagated Indian diversity to the world. As Mahatma Gandhi said, our ability to reach unity in diversity will be the beauty and a testament to our civilization. Diversity is not just a concept, it's a celebration of our collective differences and a proof to our strength. In embracing changes, we not only adapt but thrive. As a young generation, it's our duty to carry forward this legacy, promoting our rich heritage and diverse cultures. As a responsible youth, join together as the torchbearers of a harmonious society, and every change embrace with an open heart. Even the scholarism is the best example of this. Friends, let's celebrate diversity by embracing changes. Thank you.